records of the American criminal courts, we might expect to find stirring stories of human conflict. And indeed, in the official files of the Criminal Court of Illinois, there is such a story. It appears in the verbatim report of the case of the state versus the state. Of all the secrets that lie buried with the dead, none is more challenging, none more tantalizing than the secret which the woman named Tofana took with her to the grave. To no one in her own time did she reveal it, and no one since has been able to find the key to it. But perhaps that is as it should be, for it is a secret which, if it were ever again unlocked, could only spread misery and death throughout the world. The woman, Tofana, was a resident of Palermo in the latter days of the 17th century, and it is no coincidence that it was the same days which witnessed a wave of poisoning that swept like a plague across the whole of Europe. The authority, in stories of the sea, is one which invariably evokes a smile of skepticism and disbelief, but that smile vanishes whenever the story itself is supplemented by the convincing evidence of its truth. Out of October 9, 1931, published a complete account of the incredulous affair. Here is that story. The Captain Neil Fury embassy, when he shipped sailed out of the harbor of Liverpool that morning in 1881. But as the days passed, and the wind blew fair, everyone, the captain, his wife, and the crew alike, were lulled into a false security. And then, the ship lay 1,500 miles off the coast of Mexico, and the passenger long before the captain and his wife reached the galley, the smell of smoke stung their nostrils. The flames were already consuming the walls, creeping hungrily out into the other part of the boat. Out of the telltale traces embedded in the ancient rocks, science has constructed a picture of prehistoric life. It is a picture filled with grotesque and monstrous creatures who walked the earth at the dawn of the world. At least, so the textbooks tell us. But then, the textbooks carefully ignore the bewildering experience of a man named Amagino. Among zoologists and paleontologists throughout the world, the name of Professor Florentino Amagino was known and esteemed. Each year, in his opening lecture at the South American University where he taught, the professor would stress what an accurate and exact science paleontology has become. In the coming years, of no guesses, we know that there were such animals as the dinosaurs, the giant sloths. At a time when it already achieved recognition as one of America's most eminent inventors and physicists, Thomas A. Edison conducted a series of experiments and thought transference. The poltergeist, or pitiful spirit, has been for centuries a familiar figure in the literature of psychical research. No one has ever seen him, no one has ever proved that he really exists. And while sophisticated minds of the 20th century may scoff at the idea of an invisible imp who maliciously moves furniture and shatters crockery,